and welcome back to the channel, Shelly's Millions. In today's unemployment update, I just want to let you guys know that today, June 29th at 8 p.m. through Wednesday, June 30th at 2 a.m., both EDD, UI Online, and UI Online Mobile are going to be down for maintenance. Now, we never know what that maintenance is. It could be a couple of things. It could be because they're getting ready to send out the emails to everyone regarding the extra $100 weekly boost for mixed income earners, the MEUC program. It could be because they realized that there were a lot of problems that people were having certifying this past Sunday, and that many of you are still pending when you usually wouldn't be. So maybe they're trying to upgrade that, or they could be making upgrades in regards to the work search requirement. We really don't know, but they're taking the online site down. Some of the comments that you guys leave me are, if it's not one thing, it's another with the EDD, and boy, isn't that the truth. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it's going to be down again. Thanks for watching.